Hello everyone, welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. My name's Ed, and in this video I want to demonstrate how to put an Exchange server into maintenance mode and how to take it out of maintenance mode. Now you may be wondering, why would you want to put it into maintenance mode and then take it out of maintenance mode? So if you are patching servers, or if you have a problem server where mail is not routing, mail is not flowing, for example, or stuff which is not working, you can put into maintenance mode so you can troubleshoot it without affecting end users and have less disruption or impact to business. So what I've done is I have created the scripts. Here they are in the background, and we'll quickly step through what they do. So we're setting the server component state for the fully qualified domain name of the server. We're setting it to drain, and obviously we're telling it it's going to maintenance mode. We're restarting services, and then we are telling everything on server 1 to go to server 2, and then we're suspending the cluster, and we're obviously suspending database copying so that by default, if you know about Exchange 2016-2019, is after 60 minutes, the DAG will move back to where it's originally supposed to be. So this just stops that from happening. And then it also sets the server into an inactive state. So you can run it from PowerShell ISE, like I've added the snap in here, or you can run it as a save script on the Exchange server. This server and the other one here is not in a cluster, so it's going to give me an error on the cluster side, but it will still put it into maintenance mode. So if we go to the script and we run it, you'll notice that it takes a couple of seconds to run. In the background, it doesn't actually list everything as if you had to run it in ISE. And then what it does at the end is I actually get the component state. Now you can see I've basically set everything to inactive except for those two options. And now the server can be worked on, patched, rebooted, etc., or troubleshooted, and it won't affect anybody else. So now that I'm done with everything and I want to set it back, the disable script is pretty much the same, except the fact that we're taking it out of maintenance mode and we're setting it all back to active, and everything is unrestricted now again. So to run this, we just run the disabled script again. There's the cluster warning that I was telling you about because I don't have a DAG running right now. There's something wrong with it. So everything now is back into an active state, means that this server is operational. It'll start accepting messages, it'll start processing mail flow again and sending requests to the other server or other servers in the environment wherever the mailboxes are located. So just wanted to demonstrate the script on my blog, how it is live in action, and how easy it is to take a server out of maintenance mode and put it into maintenance mode. And I look forward to sharing more with you. Thank you very much for watching.